What is up, guys? Wes back with Auto Mafia Racing, and today I'm bringing you something fun. We're bringing you the Ford Raptor, the Gen 1 6.2 liter V8 Ford Raptor with our Mafia single turbo mid-mount turbo kit. So I'm going to go ahead and show you around the truck, and then we're going to put it on the rollers. Wait, we don't have rollers. We got hubs. We already got it on the hubs. This is our Dyno hub dyno. Obviously there's two, one on both sides. CNC. See, we got the there. So, got her all hooked up. Let me get the hood open here. Alright, we got our Mafia intercooler. There we go. It's our blow-off valve that we run. We just have the we have vented atmosphere right now, no breathers or anything, but we do have the blow-off valve and everything hooked up. Yes, it's still MAF based. Pretty clean setup. Runs down and in, up and over, and then let's bring it down here. Run down, along, and into the turbo.